Hey guys, I want to get on today and just give you a little daily dose of encouragement. I was thinking earlier, I was watching a video and someone was very sad, and they were sad because they took down one of their videos because they felt like that their happiness of what they were doing was making other people sad. And I got to thinking, you can't make anybody sad unless you say something ugly or unkind or you're mean in a bossy or a bullying way. You can make someone feel bad. But when you want to do something for the good, you're doing it for yourself that make you feel good about it. And if anyone says anything to you to make you feel bad because they feel bad, um, that what am I trying to say? This is from the heart. What I'm saying is from the heart. You find your own happiness. No matter what the people are having going on in their lives, if they're going through financial, medical, relationships, anything, if they're unhappy and they're seeking, trying to be happy, trying to find their own happiness, they can only find their happiness. You can't make people happy. You can make yourself happy, but you cannot make other people happy. Kindness and love and friendships and anything else, it makes them temporarily, but if they're sincerely unhappy, there's nothing you can do about it. Not one thing. So you be happy. You be the kindest you can be. You do what you enjoy doing. Don't let other people take away your happiness and your love for life. If you want to be miserable, you can be miserable. If you want to be happy, you can be happy. But don't take that happiness that you have in your heart and your kindness and your loving for people and your loving for life. Don't let people take that away from you, no matter who it is. So go, make it the best day. Do what you want to do. Do what makes you happy. I'm telling you, life's too short. You can't worry about other people's sadness or their troubles, and you can't help anyone else. You can't. But help yourself to be happy, whatever that is. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. I love you. Until tomorrow. Be happy. You are loved. I love you.